Looking for a robot vacuum that handles all your cleaning needs without breaking a sweat? We've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best robot vacuums of 2025, each packed with features that will make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're after power, precision, or smart tech, these vacuums have something for everyone. Make sure to check out the description for links to more details. Number 1. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is built for serious cleaning power. Equipped with iRobot's latest precision vision navigation, it doesn't just clean randomly. This vacuum scans and maps your floors, avoiding obstacles like shoes or cords, so it won't get stuck. Its standout feature is the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, which means you don't have to worry about emptying the vacuum for up to 2 months. The J9 Plus is also ideal for pet owners, thanks to its dual rubber brushes that don't tangle with pet hair, and its allergen lock bags trap 99% of pollen and mold. It even has built-in smart home integration, so whether you're using Alexa or Google Assistant, it responds to voice commands to get cleaning started on the spot. Number 2. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra brings a powerhouse combination of vacuuming and mopping, making it a true multitasker. What sets this one apart is its Vibrise technology that lifts the mop when it detects carpet, so it can seamlessly switch between vacuuming and mopping without a hitch. Powered by a 6,000 Pascal suction motor, it ensures a deep clean even on thick carpets. The S8 Pro Ultra also features reactive AI 3D technology, which allows it to recognize and avoid obstacles better than ever. Its auto-empty dock charges the vacuum and clears the dustbin after every run, so you don't have to. And with the Roborock app, you can customize cleaning schedules and no-go zones, making this vacuum perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Number 3. Ecovacs Dbot X2. Omni Ecovacs Dbot X2. Omni is the ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. Its unique square design allows it to reach into tight corners, something round vacuums often miss. The X2 Omni comes with a powerful 8,000 Pascal suction, one of the highest in the market, making sure nothing gets left behind. On top of that, it has an auto-lift mop system, so when it detects carpet, it raises the mops just like the Roborock. The X2 Omni also features True Mapping 2.0 laser navigation, ensuring ultra-precise cleaning paths. It even empties itself, washes its mops, and refills its water tank automatically. Plus, it's fully compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even Siri, so you can control it effortlessly through voice commands. Number 4. Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 brings impressive versatility and cutting-edge technology to your home. With its combination of vacuuming and mopping, it can seamlessly switch between hard floors and carpets, making it ideal for households with mixed flooring. Its standout feature is the Ultra Clean mode, which allows for up to 50% better carpet cleaning with powerful suction. What really sets the Shark AI Ultra apart is its LiDAR navigation, ensuring accurate room mapping and optimal cleaning routes. This tech makes it excellent at avoiding furniture and other obstacles, even in low-light environments. The self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt, so maintenance is minimal, and with the Shark Clean app, you can set no-go zones, specific room targeting, and cleaning schedules at the touch of a button. Number 5. Niato D10. The Niato D10 is perfect for those who need high-performance vacuuming and top-notch navigation. Its signature D-shaped design lets it get into corners and along edges that most round robots can't reach. It features a massive 300-minute runtime, making it ideal for larger homes or extended cleaning sessions. The D10 uses laser smart technology for precise navigation, even in the dark, and true HEPA filtration to capture up to 99.97% of allergens, great for anyone with allergies or pets. Nito's zone cleaning feature lets you target specific areas in your home, and with Google Assistant and Alexa integration, you can control it hands-free. Number 6. Eufy RoboVac X9 Hybrid. The Eufy RoboVac X9 Hybrid is all about giving you quiet, powerful cleaning at a reasonable price. This model combines a strong 5,000 Pascal suction with an advanced dual mop system for spotless floors. Its Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction power when it moves from hard floors to carpets, ensuring no debris is left behind. It's slim enough to slide under furniture and has an anti-drop and anti-collision system to avoid falling down stairs or bumping into objects. The X9 Hybrid also connects to the Eufy app, where you can set cleaning modes, monitor cleaning progress, and schedule cleanings. Plus, it's compatible with voice assistance, so starting a clean is as easy as saying, "Hey Google, start RoboVac." From top-tier suction power to smart navigation and even hybrid mopping features, these robot vacuums are designed to handle all types of floors and dirt. Ready to invest in a hands-off cleaning experience? Check the description for links to more details on each of these top picks for 2025.